Hi guys, this is Watch Hobby. Today I'll be doing a long-term review on the Laco 1925 Squad Atacama Ninja, reference number 861632. Now this is a black op, i.e. The casing is all PVD with black paint, except for the case back, which is a display case back. Has a 500 meter water rating. Crown is at 12 o'clock. Then you also have a unidirectional bezel, as you can see here. Interestingly, look at the two end lugs. Unfortunately, due to the fact that it is a 12 o'clock crown, the endings are slightly different. The one on top has this slot for the crown can go in. The bottom one does not have. Now, because of this design style of lugs, what happens is that the point to which the strap is connected is actually further away. Now, originally this particular watch came with a rubber strap, but the rubber strap, I think after more than 5 years, disintegrated. So what I did was I replaced it with a Velcro style strap, as you can see here, nylon. But because this thing is actually further extended than usual, even at the most maximum thing I can do here with the strap, unfortunately the watch is still too loose for me. So for this watch, if you want to do a replacement, make sure it's just a simple buckle and pin style of strap, so then I think you can actually size it to your wrist properly. Now, as far as the watch is concerned, as you can see, it's actually rather basic. You do have the 3 hands plus a date located at 6 o'clock. The watch is rather unique in terms of design. It's like a inverted cone shape that sits on your wrist. Display case back, as you can see. Now, if you want to know more about this particular watch in terms of the specifications and all that, I'll put a link in the description below. Now, looking at Laco's website, I don't be able to see this particular design anymore, so I suspect that they're not doing it. Again, I was lucky to actually get it. Really unique concept. Anyway, gives a thumbs up. More review coming up. Bye bye for now. Thank you.